Hi, this is Sean with TriState Waterworks. What are some of the most common problems we see with lawn sprinklers as far as needing repair? Well, broken heads are number one, and all kinds of things can happen with the sprinkler head. It can get hit by a lawnmower, an aerator, run over by a car, and they just wear out as well. Lawn sprinklers are not something you can repair. They're made as kind of disposable item. That's why their cost is so minimal. So when we have a broken one, we just need to remove it and replace it with a brand new sprinkler head. Besides the sprinkler heads, you've got the piping and wire. We see issues with the piping and wire when any type of excavation work is being done in the yard. So maybe the cable company pulled in a new cable, or downspout repairs, swimming pools, lawn aeration, planting of trees. All those sorts of things can disrupt the soil, break pipes, break sprinkler heads, cut the wire. On valves, some of the issues we see is contamination in the water, or calcified or calcium buildup on the diaphragm, which will cause the valve not to work properly. These cases, we can pretty much just come in, take the valve apart, clean it out, and it works fine after that. The majority of your problems will be with the sprinkler heads, and if you see an issue, give us a call and we can come out and replace that head and get you back and running.